Crypto trading could be one of the best ways to make money in 2023, but you need to make sure that you have the right tools for the job. In this video, we're going to look at BingX, which is an incredible exchange with tons of tools to help new traders as well as experienced traders with their trading journey in crypto. As well as that, I've partnered up with BingX to make sure that we can get a fantastic deal for all of the viewers on this video. There's a massive bonus for the first 50 that head over to BingX and sign up for an account. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can be one of those lucky winners. Without further ado, let's jump into it, guys. So jumping over to BingX. BingX has been around for a few years. It's a Singapore-based trading exchange. And whilst there are lots of trading exchanges on the market, why I really like BingX is that it offers unparalleled ease of use for new users. Trading platforms can be a bit overwhelming if you've never really seen one before, but BingX makes everything extremely easy to use. Now, BingX is rated in the top 10 of crypto exchanges over on CoinMarketCap, and that's probably because they offer a huge range of different trading opportunities. Here up to the top, they offer conventional spot trading, which is where you literally buy one coin for fiat currency or switch between the others. But if you've noticed right now, the movements in the markets are extremely low. So for example, with Bitcoin, which at the time of making this video is around $16,500, if you were to buy $16,500 worth of Bitcoin, in one day you might make or lose $100. But by using leverage through futures trading, it allows you to then purchase or have bigger purchasing power of different cryptocurrencies. Maybe by using 10x leverage, you only need 10% of the money to buy that particular token in order to enjoy 100% of the moves as and when they happen. And as well as that, BingX also offers incredible deposit bonuses on this particular option, so you can pretty much try it out for absolutely free. Now, in order to trade futures over on BingX, it's extremely easy. As I've mentioned, you only need to go over to where it says derivatives, click on perpetual futures here, and then you can come down selecting your cryptocurrency that you wish to trade on the left hand side. You can see that we have BTC USDT currently selected, and then on the right hand side we have a few different things. Now if I click here where it says market and I wanted, for example, to buy one Bitcoin, I would click on market, place $1, and I would open long. Now that would open a trade immediately because market takes the current price of the market. But for example, maybe I thought that before Bitcoin was going to go up, it was going to actually drop down to around $16,600, for example. I can then go to limit, and then I can type in the order price, and I can write 16,600 in here, and then I can say the amount that I want. I can then select open long or open short. Now that trade won't execute immediately. It will only execute if and when Bitcoin hits that level. The order will then be filled. This is also beneficial because I then become the market maker, in which I get rewarded and paid a little bit of money instead of being like the market taker, in which case I basically pay a commission to the exchange and the other market maker in order to place my trade. Now guys, I get it. If you're new to trading, maybe that seems a little bit confusing. There's two things you can do about that. First of all, jump into my Telegram trading group, which is absolutely free and linked down below in the description, guys. And I'll help you to start becoming a successful trader within crypto, as well as sharing loads of hints and tips on the market right now. Now I get it as well, it can be very difficult not only to understand how to do things like futures trading, but as well as that to actually become profitable as a futures trader. It takes maybe months or maybe even years. But there is a better way if you're new to trading, and this is something that is really taking the crypto market by storm, and BingX is one of the market leaders when it comes to this, and it's the concept of copy trading. It means that you can go and find elite traders. We're going to show you how to do that in just a minute, and you can copy the trades that they take automatically. So basically I follow that trader. When they take a trade, it basically will take the same trade that trader is taking, and I'll profit when they profit. So if we can find a profitable trader to follow, then ultimately we stand to make amazing passive income. Obviously this is not without risk, so don't use any money that you can't afford to lose. So what we need to do is click on the copy trading part at the top. Here you can see you can copy global elite traders. Coming down below you can see the trending traders. So there's a few different things that we want to look at. Now here we can see at the top trending traders. This is the last 7 days, and what we're likely to see here is the most aggressive traders, right? What that means is they're taking probably slightly riskier bets in order to make bigger returns. Like down below, depending on your risk appetite, you've got conservative traders, and here you can see that over the last 180 days, Jenny here has made 11%. LW Hamilton has made 41% in 180 days. And this one over here has done 161% in 180 days. 161% in 180 days is absolutely phenomenal. Bearing in mind that over the last 180 days, the crypto market itself has been falling towards the downside. All I want to do, if I want to copy one of these traders, guys, I click on copy, and then you can see that it's going to give me a little bit of warning telling me about the trading and how it all works. Then you need to select the margin. So for example, if you had USDT in your account, you can just do that. And then you can say copy trader with X amount of dollars. At the moment, there's nothing in this account because I want to show you how you can get your bonuses in just a moment. We could then start with just $10, guys. You could start with $10 and you can over time see whether or not you want to increase it. Copy traders positions immediately. So as and when that person takes a trade, it's going to take a trade as well. Now, if that person has like a $10,000 account and I put in $100, then don't worry, it's still going to work out how the trades work. It's going to work out the difference in account size and work out the percentages of take profits and risk. Then I need to select that I've read this and click on copy now, and that will then start me following that trader automatically. Remember, that trader might take a few hours or something to place a trade, or a few days, who knows? So you might not see that trade happen straight away. I recommend going through, finding a trader who's seeing consistent growth. And if you look at these kind of growth charts, this is important. So for example, this one here, Milky Way Capital, over the sort of 30-day period has just been slowly edging up and up and up. This is something that we want to see. Something like this does show that we have kind of a bit of an erratic trader who is kind of placing maybe slightly higher risk trades than not, and is just getting a few lucky kind of wins here and there, but doesn't seem to be too up and down. This one here, again, we've got nice consistent growth. Most of these as well showing sort of fairly solid consistent growth over a period of time. So you've got at least 30 days to maybe 100 days worth of data to go off if you're wanting to choose a successful trader. Now, copy trading, you can start with as little as $2, guys. That's right, guys, just $2, and you can get started straight away with copy trading. And if you go through the link down below in the description, you're going to get an incredible offer. Now, the first 50 people who go through that link down below in the description are going to get a $30 deposit bonus, which is significantly larger than the normal bonus. You can then use that bonus to trade with on the platform, and that's going to open up loads of other user rewards as well. And you can see that you can receive up to $5,000 tether in deposit bonuses. So basically what you can do, guys, is you can open trades without using too much leverage. You will then get access to all of these different bonuses. You can then use the bonuses and the money that you've made and put it into copy trading. And ultimately, from a very small initial investment, you can then start to do things like copy trading, where potentially you could make 160% on your gains in like a year. So for example, if you were to put in $100, next year my $100 at 160% would be worth $260. So there's huge potential here for compounding our gains by using these bonuses. And if you trade over $10,000 in volume, now that doesn't mean that you have to use $10,000. So for example, if I had $100 at 100x leverage, that would be $10,000 worth of volume. That would then unlock a $50 bonus. This is not typical for most exchanges, so it's a great way to get in and practice a bit of trading without risking your own money, but you can risk the bonuses instead. Once you make money from those bonuses, you can then reinvest it into the copy trading, which, even though I'm an experienced trader, I like to use because it's a great way to make passive income on the side, because I don't have time to watch the charts 24/7, so why not let someone else trade money on my behalf and ultimately open up my diversified portfolio. Now, in recent times, we've seen FTX go under. One amazing thing about BingX is it's verified by loads of other companies such as Huobi, Binance, OKX, and a number of other exchanges. This means that it's secure, it's also transparent in the way that it does its business, and this will ultimately safeguard your cryptocurrency against potential problems like we've just seen with FTX, BlockFi, and loads of others. So basically all we need to do in order to claim our bonus, coming over to the BingX exchange, which is linked down below, click here on claim. You can then claim the appropriate bonus and just click on join now. It's then going to give you the details on what deposits will claim for certain bonuses, and you can click on claim. And you can see that you can either deposit from other platforms, tons of different types of crypto. Make sure you select the appropriate network for that particular cryptocurrency. Or if you're yet to own any cryptocurrency and you need to purchase with fiat currency, then no problem, go to buy crypto at the top left. And then down below, you can see buy crypto with cards via a variety of different ways. You can use Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, etc. You then need to select how much you wish to pay and then what token you wish to receive. USDT, stablecoin, Ethereum, or Bitcoin. And unless you specifically want Bitcoin or Ethereum, I'd recommend going in with USDT because it's easier to then change that USDT into any other type of crypto. In summary, BingX Exchange is one of the best exchanges around with some incredible bonuses as well as copy trading, where you as an inexperienced trader can go and follow some experienced traders and make up to 160% in a year, which is incredible returns. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. And if you want to make the most of those trading bonuses, then go through the link down below in the description. Remember, it's the first 50 are going to get the very best bonus. You've only got 7 days until that expires, so make sure you do it now. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about trading crypto, then hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.